Oh, was I chewing on something? I was just eating some Mike and Ice, but I guess we're doing a weapon review. I mean, like I promised, it's gonna be on the dancing rifle. I mean, the dance rifle. Hold up, let me change loadouts really quick. You weren't meant to see anything for loadout number 2. But anyways, it's the Mythical dance rifle. So, this weapon has the fire rate of 64, the capacity 7, and the mobility of 55. As area damage can blind you, and it gives you bonus kill points. Also one of those only area damage weapons that can give headshots out. Trust me, it's kind of worth getting this thing to Mythical. This weapon's actually kind of lit. Let me bond in with a new weapon. And let's test the mechanics of this thing. So those are the delay mechanics it has. I think I'm getting the hang of cat spamming faster. You know, that's what I just like to consider try-hard mode. It's a lot of people like to really cat spam all too fast, but you know, it's okay. I don't mind too much. Well, actually, I mind a lot, but whatever. Still, let's just. Alright, so the first match will take place on Fort. I caught you trying to get over here. Get out of our base, kid. Anyone else want some? You have to be very far when using this weapon. Look, it's a sniper. Snipers are better for longer range. But you know, this weapon looks pretty cool. Like, you know what I'm saying? You know, I heard this weapon's actually a reference to TikTok. You know, the social media. Whoops. I mean, I hate to trigger anyone, but I'm actually kind of glad I don't do any TikToks. Sorry guys, but I'm actually kind of glad. Am I the only one trying to keep these guys out of our base? I'm literally the only one trying to keep these guys out of our base. Alright, soldiers, you guys disappointed me. I'll need that, thank you. I was literally the only one trying to keep these guys out of the base. I actually got the most kills in return. Oh, speaking of which, we're getting our next veteran chest. What will we get? Boring. Second match will take place in Ghost Town. Your bots are going to jail for a very long time. I can't aim. Anyways, match is finished. But to make up for this being too short, I'm gonna give you guys a little announcement. Like, I promise I'm gonna make this announcement as clear as possible. I was planning on doing a little series while I was gone, like on a tiny hiatus. Also, I'm also going to be accepting OCs. A pinned comment will tell you guys all about it. So, if you have any OCs in mind, go ahead and submit them. So I want to use as many of you guys' OCs as possible. Either as cameos, or you can sign up to be an actor. Like, you can either sign up to be an actor, or have your OC as a background character. Like I said, I want a lot out of everyone. I want to know everything about your OC. It can be any species possible. Even an extinct species for a matter. And I'd like to thank you guys for bringing me this close to the 600 sub mark. Honestly, have no ideas on what to really do when I reach the sub count. You know, maybe a montage of my popular videos. Maybe that. So all my popular videos will be bunched into one as a 600 sub special. Maybe that. Or in the pinned comment, you can go ahead and comment ideas on what, or reply. You guys can reply ideas on what I should do when I reach that sub count. And I hope to get to 600 subs by the end of this summer. So convince your friends or something to subscribe. It'd be really appreciated if we could get some more subs by the time the summer comes to an end. You know, I'd like to thank you all for watching and for sticking by with this ending announcement. So, see you on the next weapon review.